Good morning, everybody. Another day in trading. Let's see what's going on. All right. Let me just make sure I did this right. All right. So, futures and Dow Jones going lower now. Let's go to ES first. Did I share the right link? Yeah, seems like it. All right. So, ES pre-market, nothing special. It went lower last night, so futures are red right now. And just let me show you something here on the whiteboard. Right now, current market trend is kind of like this. So anytime during the day we can get bounce up, but keep in mind the trend is a little bit down. We are still bullish on the weekly charts, and you can, as you can see here, daily MACD and the ES is dead crossing. So pre-market right now, nothing special because we came down last night. And then we recovered a little bit, and right now establishing a range and indexes. 15 and 30 is golden cross. 1 hour is near golden cross, and a lot of names 1 hour MACD is golden cross, but 4 hour TTM is squeeze and MACD is pressuring down. And while ES MACD is dead crossing, is not a good sign. As I mentioned, we are still very bullish on weekly, but so most likely what could happen is we can go down, and let me show you here. It's possible that we have some downfall, and then suddenly whatever news comes, it bounces up crazy. The most important thing that can happen this week is a job report on Friday, so everybody's a little bit hopeful on that one. The NQ pre-market, same thing. 15 and 30 is upward. 1 hour is golden cross, which is a good sign. 4 hour, we are close. It's possible to close to have a yellow line, but it's still pressure is down on the MACD. Daily MACD is dead cross and downward, and weekly is kind of flattening right now. It was wide open before, now it's flattening. The Dow Jones. Very bullish on weekly and daily still, but weakening a little bit pre-market. RUT still bullish on weekly and daily. 4 hour is not dead cross. Once the 4 hour dead crosses, it's possible to have some pullbacks in small caps. Just be cautious on the small caps. Once they pull back, they can pull back big. When they go up, they go up big. When they pull back, the same thing, they pull back very big. TNX, the most important one, is 2% down today, and that's really important. Right now is making a new low. It's actually surprising market is not super green right now. So if TNX breaks 4168, next target level is 40.42. Keep an eye on TLT today. TLT right now is on the rise, and next target there is 94.98. Passes that one, can go to the higher level 95.97. So TLT is very, very strong right now because of TNX fall. TNX pre-market looking very bearish, and the 4 hour was golden crossing, but now is that cross downward, and daily weekly is downward. DXY was daily MACD is golden cross. That was causing a lot of trouble yesterday, but right now is hovering around 103,676. So we have to see direction on this one. Keep an eye on DXY. If DXY falls, text can run up, and if, as always, if it goes up, text can pull back. Wix is green, daily MACD is golden cross upward, so gotta be cautious. Still the bearish on weekly, but 4 hour and daily is bullish, so be cautious there. BTC. Daily MACD golden cross upward. 4 hour we got dark blue bar, so possible some consolidation, some range up and down, then until the next breakout. Apple. Apple pre-market right now 15:30. 1 hour is upward. 4 hour is actually interesting. We got yellow bar, we got light blue bar, and right now is 190. So if 190 right now, if let go this target, next target is 191.7. It's possible to open and jump to 191.7 today. If it passes that one, we're looking at higher level 192.25, 193 and higher level. But it's bearish on the week daily, but the weekly is very bullish. So it does have a chance. If the 4 hour MACD golden cross, it's gonna get really interesting. Amazon was weak yesterday, but made a huge hammer candle daily. Pre-market right now, nothing special. 15:30 is upward, so it's all about two levels to watch: 143.12, 144.11. If it can pass 144.11, can run up to 145.71. If it does break 143, then we're looking at 140, 140, 152. Nvidia, it was gapping down, but the pre-market right now is doing some recovery. 4 hour, we still don't have yellow bar. It's possible to have it today or sooner. RSI is in oversold zone, so 447. That's a key level that's getting very close to it. 447.56. If it's past 447.56 for whatever reason this week, we're looking for 445, 443, 441 next target. But right now, as I mentioned, it's showing some strength pre-market. 5, 15, 30, 1 hour is upward. So it's all about 454, 456. If it does pass 456, can go for a bigger recovery and go up. Keep an eye on Nvidia. So 456, if it passes, can go crazy. If 447 breaks, can go for a bigger dive down. It's still bearish on the daily and weekly. And weekly, we got dark blue bar. So the pressure is down, but anytime could have a bounce up. We'll see. AVGO has earning this week, and nothing special on the 1 hour and the 4 hour, but daily and weekly is downward. So this one just moves very big when it opens. If 919 can hold it, we're looking at 914, 908, 905. If 924 passes, we're looking for a pre-earning run up at 932, 940, 11. Baba. Still bearish on daily and weekly. It tried to break out yesterday, last 2 days, but it's again making a new low, 72. So 72.09, if it can hold it, we're looking at 71.08. And if 70 breaks, we're looking for a bigger dump to 69, 67, 65, 77. Netflix is in the category of weak names. It's still 4 hour is still weak, daily is weak, and you can see a stochastic fast is falling down like that. And 451 yesterday low was I think 451. That level were held very strong. So if opens at 451.26 can hold it, we're looking at 448, 446.77. If 446 breaks, we can go dive even lower. But right now pre-market, 5 minutes is up, 15:30 is upward, 1 hour is not golden cross yet. It's all about 454 for recovery. If 454 takes over, then it can go for recovery. Yeah, another thing to note about Netflix is that yesterday, even though market was bouncing up midday after 11 a.m., Netflix did not participate that much, so it showed its weakness. So keep an eye on Netflix. If market goes up and it joins it, then it can become a valid recovery. If it doesn't and market weakening again, Netflix is one of the worst. It can go lower. Meta 317 is holding up for now. If 317 breaks, again, 315, 312, 310, 21. Pre-market right now, 15:30, 1 hour is upward. 4 hour, we got yellow bars, but not golden cross yet. Need to pass 320, 324 for a run-up. Tesla, 4 hour TTM, we got yellow bar. It's tried to break out yesterday. It was strong was going strong until midday, but then to close, we got weakening again. And right now it's gapping down 2 points, so it's all about 233.51, 232.15. If 232 breaks, it's gonna be a bigger dive there. 229, 227, 226. 232 has been like a big support last few days and last few weeks actually. 232.15. If you look at the daily charts, you can see every time you touch it down, it bounces up. So it's a key level to watch. If it touches again, bounces up. We're looking at 233, 235.7. 237.1. Need to pass 240 is strong. Better say 240, 297 is strong to have a valid run up. But at this point is tricky, and Cybertruck, we'll see if it's gonna catch up. We'll see. Microsoft was very interesting yesterday. It opened, it dumped at the open, and then had a very nice recovery. It weakened pre-market, but right now doing some recovery. Pre-market right now 5, 15, 30 is upward. 1 hour same. 4 hour we got some yellow red bars, but we don't have a golden cross on the 4 hour yet. So it's possible maybe have some dump, maybe 366.38, 365.29 get retested at open. But then if it jumps up and 368.13 passes, we're looking at 369.89. That's a key level to watch. If 370 passes, we're looking for recovery for 371, 373, 375. Google, Google is still very weak. Till 128.26 if you can hold it. 127.16 can come. If 127 breaks, God bless Google. It's gonna go 124, 121, 119. AMD has event on Wednesday, I believe. So market is waiting for that one. Is still resisting to dump. 4 hour we got yellow bar, so it's been holding up. Even though it's pulled back, but it's not so huge yet. If 117 breaks, we're looking at 116.24, 115.47. I like that the 1 hour is golden cross and 4 hour got yellow bar, so it's all about 118.73. If you can pass that one, can run up higher. Boeing was showed some weakness at open yesterday, then it bounced very strong into the close. 4 hours already dead cross, so there is a little bit pressure down, but daily and weekly is still very bullish. Best is to wait for the next 1 hour golden cross for a valid run up. But for now, these are the three levels you want to watch: 230.87, 232.95, 235.61. Breaks either one can have a bigger move. SPY, it's all about 453.46. It had a nice recovery, went to 455.93 and a little bit higher. If does the same today, you want to watch 453.46. If at any time this week 453.46 breaks, we can easily go to 452.44, 451.18, and 449.14. But right now 450, this level, it's been holding up very strong. So again, if it jumps up right now, pre-market, nothing special going on, not clear direction. 1 hour, if 1 hour MACD golden crosses and passes 455.93, we can go to the next level. But keep in mind the pressure is still down on the 4 hour. Until we don't have a yellow bar or 4 hour MACD golden cross, pressure is down. And on top of that, ES daily MACD is dead cross, so most likely SPY will be same. QQQ is opening below 385, so two key levels to watch: 382.66, 385. Pre-market right now, 1 hour's golden cross, which is a good thing. If 385 passes, we can run up to 387.33. But if market opens and you see tech falls, next target is 382.66, and if it gets crazy, 379.77. I really like that TNX is red today, so there is a chance maybe same that happened yesterday happens today too. What else you got here? IWM showing some weaknesses. 4 hours dead crossing. Roku was weak yesterday, but it then had a bounce up, and 4 hour is still weak there. We need to get a yellow bar or 4 hour MACD golden cross for next run. I'm still bullish on daily and weekly. PanW was weakening yesterday, so 283.57, 279.35. Those are the next support. At some point, this is still very, it went parabolic up. Daily, weekly is still very bullish. So at some point on one of the major level, 279.35, 273.98, 268.62, one of the major levels is gonna have a monster bounce up again back to 300. And next bounce up is gonna be very crazy. So keep an eye on PanW. Yeah. Once the 4 hour golden cross can go crazy. Coin 4 hours dead crossing is still bullish, very bullish on daily and weekly, but some consolidation there probably. MSTR consolidation there, need to pass 570.7 to run up to the higher level. What else you got here? HD was the strongest yesterday. Uber is pulling back. Riot is just going up. Snow was strong yesterday too, but pre-market showing some weaknesses. So 185.49 if you can hold it. Again, retest 182.04, 179.34. What else you got here? GME earning is this week. So 70.56 I think was the high of last week. If it does break that one, have a chance for run to 18.16 and then higher level. 4 hours still bullish, so it does have chance for more squeeze up. What else you got here? UPST and Carvana going crazy still. It's all about 34.35. Breaks that one can go crazy. Carvana. Yeah, nothing. Not exciting for me. I mean, I don't follow these names too much. Okay, that's pretty much it on this one. Somebody asked about UPST. UPST. All right, UPST. Yeah, so 35, 34.35. Need to break that one. Still bullish on the 4 hour pre-market right now. 5 is dead cross. Nothing is no special direction pre-market. If it goes below 32.72, it can go for pullback, same like GME did. But if 34.35 passes, next major level is 40.45, and it can go crazy. AFRM, somebody else asked. So that one, it's all about 39.93. 4 hours dead cross. It's still very bullish on daily and weekly, but right now probably it's end of the run for now until we get the next 1 hour golden cross. Once it passes 39.93, it can go crazier for the next level. Next major level is 48.41. I have to get the levels in between. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and have a lovely day.